Ganito, tapos maglakad, tapos parang Starbucks, tapos yogs!
Araw, makita.
Pero hindi ito nakatabok.
Why?
Ay,
Oh, okay.
oh.
Synaptic.
Tingala ko man yung wala.
There's a book.
Hindi ko alam maipil.
Gani, nag-uubok, guys.
Synaptic cycles, mga bay.
Uyak, tutupan.
Yung matugi na, tingala ko mawala sila gabaligya coffee, kay may tabok, malang galing nga kapihan.
Coffee shop.
Truly pizza.
Ay, oh, that's cute. Look at that. Pero truly pizza.
Dira ko na nga, agad si Ken last time, dira, pero bala mo sila in lang.
Naka-price siguro, pero naka-cute.
Yeah.
Oh, ano ba yun?
Yeah, paano na siya?
So, there's a truly pizza that looks like a nice place.
It is a nice place.
Look at that.
Yung mga hapit, kaya anay, kay pareho kami natuyo. Kaya ang ibanda, 2:30 na natulog.
Alas tres.
At alas 3 na gali.
Hindi nalingaw ko to
How did I guess? Kaya nag-send pa siya reels sa akin at 2:30 a.m.
Araw, surf shop. Infinity. Infinity speedboats. Cute po.
Budlay di galing dabs kay side street parking.
Huh.
Okay lang, nakapark to sa may piyak.
Side street o. Para may parking nila. Parking nila sa likod.
Dasig na.
Kaya magpa-parking ano?
Dasig na. Mapuno.
Rental. Oh,
Data
pwede
matabok.
ka rent. So there's a surf shop where you can rent a surfboard.
Okay.
Yeah.
Looking around Dana Point. Okay na ni siya nga first content
Oh,
na.
have you seen that houses over there?
Yeah,
Those are beautiful houses.
they are. And they're located in a very
Yeah.
premium
There's
location.
an elephant again.
Elephant din.
Gold elephant.
Kagi na mga colorful, las mong gold na.
Gold.
Okay, matabok tayo. Off ko lang na ha.
Ruby Lantern. Street side of the Ruby Lantern.